Okay, now, Miel, I will give you second quarter test in spelling 4. Write and then spell it for me, okay? Number 1, known. Known. Understood. Known. Known. Saint Anthony is known as the finder of lost things. Known. Next.
KNOWN.
Next. Police. Police. The police are always ready to help people in trouble. Police.
POLICE.
Number 3, boat. Where it is? Boat. Bakit si Pastel? Cannot see the boat. Grandma bought the green paint at the paint store.
BOUGHT.
Next, caught. Thomas caught the ball with his baseball gloves.
CAUGHT.
Next, office. Drop off the keys for the car at Dad's office.
OFFICE.
6, merciful. We must be merciful if we wish mercy for ourselves. Merciful.
MERCIFUL.
Next, toward. The toddler rushed toward his mother when she returned.
TOWARD.
Number 8, produce. My uncle wants to produce more Catholic songbooks for our church.
PRODUCE.
Next, choose. Little Teresa found it hard to choose among the gifts.
CHOOSE.
Number 10, whose. Jesus said to the apostles, whose sins you shall forgive, they are forgiven. Whose.
WHOSE.
Okay, next, ground. Ground. Sister MacDo found a kitten lying on the ground.
GROUND.
Next, amount. We receive a great amount of grace when we go to Holy Communion.
AMOUNT.
Next, youngest. Saint John was very young. In fact, he was the youngest apostle.
YOUNGEST.
Next, among. Young John was... What is this? Among? What is among? In the middle of. Yes. Young John was among the apostles chosen by Jesus.
AMONG.
Next, building. The monks asked the bishop if they could build a new building.
building.
Next, tore. Sally tore the picture in half.
Tore.
Next, northern. Our relatives live in the northern part of Ireland. Northern.
Northern.
Next, certain. Certain. We can be certain that Jesus loves us more than we can imagine. Certain, it means sure. Okay, next.
Certain.
What? Repeat, I cannot understand. Certain.
Certain.
Very good. 19, general. The general of the army always started the day with a prayer for his men.
General.
Next, observe. Every day we can observe the growth of our little plant. Observe.
Observe.
Okay, read again.
Known, police, but,
This boat.
cut,
Caught.
police,
This.
office, merciful, toward, produce, choose, whose, ground, amount, youngest, among, building, tore, northern, certain, general, observe.
Okay, very good. Did you understand?
Yes po.